Good morning, everybody. Gary here, Fathers for Justice, the official Fathers for Justice South Africa. Chilly winter's mornings are out there at the moment. It is 20th of May, 2021. I wanted to discuss with you, both moms and dads, about litigation. If you do not get this point, then you deserve to have all the money that you ever will have stolen from you from lawyers, psychologists, social welfare workers, etc. If you do not understand the concept of the court system, the court system, and it doesn't matter whether it's a criminal trial or a civil case, the court system by default is set up and designed to have a winner and a loser. In order for that system to work, the accuser has got to dredge up a whole lot of garbage and or present empirical evidence. It is then up to the accused to now have to go and defend that and prove otherwise. If you want to be a good parent, the court system, the legal justice system, has to be the last, not even the last. It should not even be on your radar. So yes, while there is animosity and hate and anger and disappointment and all of those emotions that are extremely validated and valid, if you want to show up and behave and be a proper parent to your child, then you have got to move beyond your own personal hurt and anger and disappointment and failures and all of those kind of good things. The legal justice system is not the place to be doing this. It is not. It is not designed to handle this issue. It is not the place. So it's irrespective of what your religious beliefs are, and so on. You know, if you can't talk to your ex, that's understandable, and we must acknowledge that. But just because you can't speak to your ex doesn't mean that the kids must suffer. So therefore, go and see the imam, or the mullah, or the priest, or the rabbi. If this is not your cup of tea, don't make it an issue. Seek somebody out. There are exceptionally good life coaches out there. Not everybody is designed to be a life coach. And there are people that are not lawyers. Please stay away. If you don't understand this point, then once again you deserve to have all your money taken away that you will ever earn, ever, amen. Do not go to lawyers that say that they can mediate settlements. Okay. Lawyers do not have the emotional IQ. They are not trained to seek a middle path or a common ground or a departure point from which the two of you can work from. It is not, they do not have the skill, they do not have the emotional, psychological, and educational training to depart from that point. It's not within their frame of reference. So there are people that are skilled in getting two people to talk to one another. Those are mediators. But do not speak to a mediator whose primary income is a lawyer. Okay. The point I'm making to everybody is that the court system, the justice system, is not the place where you should be sorting this out. Yes, we are campaigning for changes within the law, so that because that is the problem, is that until the changes are made where, in the absence of violence, abuse, or neglect, that there is a automatic departure of 50-50 contact. So you remove the ability for game playing, childishness, immaturity, stupidity, vindictiveness. Okay. So, moms and dads, if you go through the legal justice system, I am telling you, at the very least, you are emotionally and psychologically abusing your children. It is that simple. Okay, you are creating the trauma. You are enhancing and throwing petrol on top of oil, on top of kerosene, with dynamite and TNT onto a situation that doesn't need that kind of reaction. Okay, stop listening to this stupid, idiotic, immature Hollywood hype around divorce. Don't go and sit down with a lawyer that says to you, oh, no, daddy's going to walk away with nothing, or mommy's going to walk away with nothing. Those are stupid, immature lawyers. Okay. The point I'm making is that if you want to conduct yourself in the best interests of the children, stay away from the legal justice system. It is emotionally, psychologically, financially, and legally abusive. You end up getting abused. Mark my words on this. I've been doing this for almost 17 years now. Okay. Seek out somebody that can bring compassion, calmness, level-headedness. And guess what? If you guys can't sit in the same room, well, then find somebody that is skilled enough to negotiate between the two of you, honestly. But whatever you do, if you as a parent are actually, genuinely, heartfelt about your children and want to minimize the damage that divorce and separation does to children, stay out of the legal justice system. If you do not do this, you are childish, you are immature, and you shouldn't be a parent in the first place. It's that simple, guys. You shouldn't. Unless there's abuse or violence, quantifiable, measurable, provable, defined, with evidence, violence, abuse, or neglect, there is no reason for you to go to the courts. Really, there isn't. In the interim, we've got to change the law, because that is where the problem lies. The Children's Act by default is designed insofar as contact care, guardianship, and maintenance of children is concerned. It is specifically designed and set up to create a winner and a loser. And I can tell you who are the first losers by default. The moment you walk into that magistrate's court, the moment you walk into your lawyer's office, the children have already been abused. It's that simple. Okay. So please, in the interim, join the class action suit so that we can get the changes made. Where one parent does not have the brain capacity, the emotional intelligence, the emotional IQ, the maturity, at least the other parent and the more specifically and most importantly, the children are protected. That's what this is about. And if you don't get this, then you deserve to be raped by the legal justice system and you deserve to have all your fucking rights destroyed. Because if you are that childish, you are that immature, clearly you are not capable. You do not have the capacity to be a parent. It is that simple. Don't like what I'm saying? Go and see what happens to children when you go into the legal justice system. They are the first losers, and they stand to lose the most because they don't have any say over what goes down. Join the class action suit. There is a membership fee to join Fathers for Justice so that we can continue doing this work. The class action suit is 1,000 Rand to join, and you can pay it once off over 2, 3, 6, and 10 months. It's absolutely imperative that the law is changed, guys. It's not working. It's that simple. It's not working. Please like, share, and subscribe the YouTube channels, the LinkedIn and Facebook. And please go and write a review on our Google page, please. Love and light to you all, and have a fantastic day. Love you.